everybody, and welcome back once again to my channel. So in this video, oh my goodness, why am I always, it feels like everything is just planned out. And right now, today, I am not going to follow the script, trash the script. I am going to tell you something that I haven't told you guys. Have I actually told you guys this here on my channel? Well, I just moved into a recent space and it is still very empty. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the walls, the paint and the decorations and whatever. But in order to stay consistent in my craft, I have to come up with a video to put out to you guys. I have to come up with a video to share with you guys today. And if you're tuning in for the first time, today is Sunday. I want to wish you a happy Sunday here. Now, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family, welcome to the Cherry Gang. Yes, and if you're an OG, sweetheart, you know I always love you. I love you from the depth of my heart, okay? Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 7 tips for a healthy, glowing skin. I love skincare a whole lot and I love everything beauty. Now, this is actually some of the things I've been trying out that has helped me along my journey, and I'm going to put it out here for you guys to see. I'm going to share it with you guys here on this channel. So if you notice, I have no makeup on my face and I just have my lip balm. I need to get my nails done, and that's all about it. Have my edges done, and if you notice very well also, you'd see that I'm literally sweating. Oh my goodness, I have noticed that lately I have just been sweating. I don't know why. I guess I've been doing a lot of water and a lot of exercises lately. Now, this is to show you the spots I break out. I've been breaking out lately, some pigmentation here and there, but they've actually been very minor. Now, for those people that will be like, okay, she has makeup on, I do not have makeup, neither do I have a perfect skin. It is a work in progress, and I'm here to share with you guys my tips, tips that have helped me along my journey. Yes, it is a journey, and I'm here to carry you guys along, okay? All right, tip number 1, you have to drink lots of water. You have to stay hydrated. Water is going to help detoxify and cleanse your skin. Now, tip number 2, take green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables would help you. They are packed with all manner of nutrients that are very good. You can make a smoothie, mix your yogurt and your green vegetables, any vegetable of your choice. Make a smoothie, take it, drink it, detoxify. It helps. I'm going to leave some of the benefit of having vegetable smoothies on the screen for you to see. Highly effective, highly beneficial. Okay, number 3, exfoliate your skin. Now, if you haven't been doing lots of exfoliation, I am not trying to say you should overdo the exfoliation. I'm trying to say you should do it correctly. Twice a week or once a week, you need to exfoliate your skin, either with your sugar scrub or your salt scrub, or however you're trying to sort out pimples or acne. Salicylic acid exfoliating products, perfect and good for you. So make sure you do that often, all right? This is something that I've been lacking for the past few months, which is getting enough sleep. I have literally not been doing that often, and I actually know what it can do to your skin. Now, make sure you get enough sleep. I'm going to leave every information or resource on the screen for you to see. I'm coming up with these tips because they have helped me. These are the things I have done along the line, which has helped my skin and my health in general. Now, the next tip is creating a skincare regimen. You really need that. Really need to have a skincare regimen, cleansing, hydrating, treatment, using your serums for your dark spots or for your acne, washing your face with a mild, gentle moisturizer, tablet soap, bar soap, any of your, whatever you decide to use for your cleansing routine. That is very important. So tailor your skincare products according to your skincare concerns or needs, and by doing that, you create a skincare routine. So that takes us to creating a skincare routine, having a skincare routine. All right, the next tip I have is making sure you minimize your stress levels. Work on calming yourself down. If you're feeling stress is actually not good for the skin. So recently, I went through a phase in my life where my dad broke down, my mom also broke down. I was literally all over the place as a stay-at-home daughter, trying to help out with one or two things. I totally lost myself at that moment. I couldn't take care of myself emotionally and physically, and it really did a lot of harm to my skin. I started breaking out a whole lot, and my pigmentation issues got worse, and actually they're fading out. It was horrible. So cortisol levels increased, and I mean it was horrible. So work on reducing stress. As soon as I worked on balancing the whole stuff, my skin is trying to heal itself and get back to normal. So it's a journey, like I said. Nobody has it all perfect. Work on reducing your stress levels. All right, darling? Okay. Next tip is having glutathione rich foods or collagen rich foods. If you can't get the supplements, or if you're afraid of getting the glutathione supplements or collagen supplements, which are actually nice, you can do more research and figure out foods that are rich in glutathione. I'm going to leave pictures on the screen of fruits that contain glutathione or collagen for you to try, so you can get it the natural way. By doing that, beautiful, lovely, you're going to get all the nutrients you need for your skincare. I don't know how many I've actually given, but remind me if I miss one tip on the comment section. Comment down below, Nyechi, you're missing one tip, because I think I've lost count right now of the tips I'm giving you guys. The next thing is exercising regularly. I'm going to be making a video real soon to show you guys the exercises I've been trying to incorporate in my regimen or my routine. So make sure you try to exercise regularly. It's going to help you burn calories, at the same time glow your skin. All right, there is nothing like having less makeup or no makeup at all and your face is still okay. Now, exercise is really healthy and really beneficial in order to help you have a glowing skin. All right, now I've come to the end of this video. Make sure you click the super thanks icon down below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't, and I'll see you in another video. Don't forget that God loves you more than I do. See you next time. Bye.